Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are out on a trip to Ochi. We're going to Highland Village, Pure Chocolate Jamaica to see for a workshop for us to learn how to make chocolate. Alright, and then we are going to be going to the beach, but stick around and watch this video to the end. This is part 1 of more to come, so don't miss out on anything, okay? Alright. Can't help but commenting on our beautiful Highland Jamaica. Yes, very beautiful. It was early morning and look at us, beautiful Jamaica. So first en route to the Mommy Bay tool, yes, in our way to Island Village. And we have finally reached our destination. We are trying to get somewhere to park. Then we will proceed to the venue. We then consult this directory to see where we're going exactly. Then this beautiful waterfall with Island Village right there, so calming, so beautiful undergrounds. Yes, it was beautiful. So before we went to our workshop, we stopped at the gift shop, right, in the vicinity. We have several Jamaican gifts, different gifts you can buy if you are foreigner to take back home for your friends and family. Just take a look. Am I money? Yes, I bought this $600. For US, they quote in US dollars. I'll show you the name of the gift shop. Oh yeah. Oh, there's no name. Just wait for me right here. And then we are finally in Pure Chocolate Jamaica. Time to make some good chocolate. You're going to make your own chocolate. Oh my god.
Morning again.
So guys, as you can hear, it's sampling times. We sample different chocolate flavor, including jerk seasoning chocolate. So listen up and take a look.
It's snackables. Alright. Let me call Jonathan. Okay. We have 5 minutes left, so good. Good. So who has seen the brand before? How did you hear about us?
TikTok.
Really?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. We were in
Yes. And they came here.
Right?
I saw it at the store. chocolate.
Indeed.
Agri store. That's on Old Hope Road,
Which one is that again?
beside Jamaica College.
Oh, yeah, that's possible. Yeah, so that's our 68% with coconut nibs. That's dark chocolate though. You need to like.
Yeah, I know that is cocoa because it's charged.
That's proper cocoa.
Yeah.
This is
Taste feel like cocoa. Yeah.
the real stuff.
That one is good for you.
Yes, so that's what we made. Right.
Oh my. So this one is going on YouTube, so you're gonna be good. Gotta get some more customers.
But it's a special spice blend called speculoos. Also, pretzel snackables, those are salted caramel. So you miss a snackable option.
Which one is that?
This one is the almond. Yeah, go ahead.
Which one is that?
Hey, Jonathan, morning. You ready?
Okay, so this is chocolate covered almond with speculoos spice.
So what is speculoos spice? Well, I'm Dutch. I'm from Holland. And in Holland we make these cookies during the season that are kind of like gingerbread cookies. And that's the spice blend that we actually put around the almonds. So that's homemade
Tastes good.
speculoos, yeah.
So enough. Seriously. I can have more than two.
But you can make it. You can make a whole lot of it, right? All right, perfect. So we still got your coffee.
Me, I always
These are raw chocolate, guys. Nothing is added. Just raw chocolate. Alright?
So we're gonna try milk chocolate.
Oh, this one look like the one that we like, the coated one.
Right. So these are the pretzels that we do. So these are the pretzels.
This one in right.
These are all.
This don't have the spice in it. This one.
No.
It's I would give it to like a mixed spice blend kind of thing. So if you have that in mind, you like it, it's cinnamon and yeah. You try the pretzels?
You got this. Oh my god.
Unfortunate for you.
There you are.
Chocolate covered pretzel.
Yeah, you guys will love the coated one because that's what we use to. The raw one is from the store. Tasting. It's really
We're
good.
waiting for two people. There
Yeah.
about 3 minutes.
So far, so good. That's it. It is nice.
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
Pretzel. So that's
Pretzel.
chocolate coated pretzels with milk chocolate.
Yeah.
This is the dark chocolate with the almond, and this is dark chocolate with salted caramel, which you're gonna taste right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me do that.
All of them.
Very good. That's all over here, mate. So that's good, right?
Again,
The rice part, right?
it's a lot of taste. We shouldn't have added
Oh, we
this.
haven't even started yet.
We shouldn't have buy
I
this.
mean,
This
you
is
just
just,
have
oh my
one out
god.
here with so much chocolate that you know is good for a while.
Dark chocolate, salted caramel.
This is the gummy one.
The gummy one. The big gummy. Oh, right. Yes. Oh yeah, you sent with coconut nibs, which is this bar, which is actually an award-winning bar, right? That was the first one you had, the one with a little crunch in it, the little heart, right? So now you're gonna taste our coconut, our milk chocolate, dark milk chocolate with coconut, this bar.
That's supposed to taste nice. Coconut? Oh my god.
Right, so try that one.
Anything with coconut is great.
Oh, I hope so.
See? It don't want to touch me. Touch me.
So what's funny about that one, when you try that, how is that? You like it? smooth, a little softer.
This is the chocolate. This is
Guess what?
nice.
That one is vegan.
Oh wow.
That's a milk chocolate, but it's vegan.
It's vegan.
Right? Don't even know.
It's nice though. It melts in your mouth.
You don't
It
even know
melts in your
right?
mouth. Yeah.
Awesome.
Vegan chocolate, guys. Vegan chocolate. Vegan chocolate is here. So guys, we're going to a taste now.
That's fine.
We're going to be making these chocolate.
I will be chatting a lot, and I just woke up, and I have 2 boys, so I'm gonna get myself a cola. So I have a little.
Okay.
I'll be passing out.
She's gonna give me Rocking Jenny's. There's a funny story actually. So the Jen over there, Jen, wait, hi. Jen is actually doing the workshop with you. Her name is Geneva. She made this product, and without her knowing, I called her Rocking Jenny because Jenny rocks.
So guys, that's it for part 1 of this video. See you in my next video. Bye.